Hi everyone. Let us study a figure of speech. Actually, what is meant by figure of speech? Apart from the literal meaning, there will be a separate meaning. That is figurative meaning. Figurative meaning. Using the figurative meaning is called figure of speech. So today we are going to study the personification. Yes, it is a figure of speech. Okay now. So let us see what is meant by a simile first. Simile, metaphor and personification. So all these things are connected. First let us see what is meant by a simile. So what is a simile? Yes, comparison of two distinctly different objects using like or as. So two distinctly different objects are compared using such words as like or as. How is it different from metaphor? So I see one kind of thing is applied to a distinctly different kind of thing without stating a comparison. So one kind of thing is applied to a distinctly different kind of thing without attributing a comparison. That is metaphor. This you have already seen, comparison of simile and metaphor. Now we come to personification. So what is personification? It's a figure of speech that attributes human nature and characteristics to something that is not human. So we are attributing human nature and characteristics to something that is not human, living or non-living. See, it can be inanimate things or even abstract things also. So, attributing human nature and characteristics to something that is not human, maybe abstract, non-living, inanimate or whatever of that kind. That is called a personification. So, introduced as a person. So, inanimate things or abstract things, they are introduced as person or persons. So personification, introduced as persons. So simple words, inanimate things are introduced as persons. Personification, personified. Is it not so? So you might have studied the voice of the rain. Okay. So there the rain is introduced as a person. Okay, I rise up into the sky. Okay, now eternally I rise. So rain speaks about itself, not himself or herself. We can say so, attributing human characteristics to inanimate things, abstract things, or non-human things. That is called a personification. Is it clear to you? I repeat once again. Attributing human nature and characteristics to something that is not human. Yes, living or non-living. That is called a personification. Let us take take some examples. For example, a tree singing, wind howling, sun smiling, stars winking, closing and opening the eyes. Is it not so? Closing and opening the eyes, that's winking. Yes, it may have many meanings also. Okay, na? So they are all, a personification. Once again, trees singing, those singing trees, wind howling, howling winds, sun smiling, and stars wing. Yes, they are all personification. So take one example, let us compare that. The leaves danced in the wind. The leaves danced. So, can leaves dance? No, we imagine that they are dancing. The leaves danced in the wind is personification. Whereas, leaves are dancers Yes. Leaves are dancers. There it is a metaphor. Is it not so? It means there is no difference between leaves and dancers. One and the same. Okay, no difference. Whereas leaves are like dancers. Comparison. So they are like, are similar as same as dancers. That is simile. I repeat, the leaves are dancers. Simile. The leaves are like dancers. Simile. Yes, the leaves are dancers. Metaphor. The leaves danced. It is personification. So attributing nature and characteristics to something that is not human, living or non-living, is known as personification. I hope it is clear to you. For more updates, subscribe to the channel SGK English. Thank you.